Hey, what's up? It's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2013 GSXR 750. This is Suzuki's midsize sport bike, 750cc, inline 4-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. Many people say this bike is the perfect balance between the 600 and 1000. Great power, very good handling, lightweight. This bike is essentially brand new with only 818 miles on the clock. This bike is all stock. This beautiful 2013 GSXR 750 is offered at $9,995 with financing options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach that 408-730-0600.